Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government jobs and PhD admission, work from home jobs, PGT, TGT and the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the non-teaching recruitment notification from one of the university. And here the candidates who are having the only graduation and only post-graduation, UGC NET or the PhD. So for all these different categories here, the vacancies are there and there is no application fee and there is no written examination for the selection process. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. And if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this university recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is GD Goenka University, guys. So from this one here, we got the different recruitment notification that you have to check out here. First we will see the teaching positions and then we will go to the non-teaching positions. Okay, so in the teaching positions, actually here they announce the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. So while coming to the assistant professor vacancies, as per the UGC norms, the candidate must have the PG with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or the SLET or SET qualification must be there. And if the engineering departments are there, then as per the AICTE rules and regulations, only post graduation is enough for the assistant professor post. Okay, and we will check out whatever the different subjects are there. So while coming to the School of Basics and Applied Sciences, so if you click on the view details, then here the subjects are displayed: chemistry, physics, mathematics, forensic science, biological sciences, environmental science, geology. And if you wanted to apply, then just click on this apply now and then your application process will be started. And next, the School of Medical and Allied Sciences, and to check the departments, so pharmacy, physiotherapy, nutrition and health and public health, and the School of Management, and coming to the School of Humanities and Social Sciences. So in this one, the clinical psychology, counseling psychology and school psychology, and the research methods, statistics, sociology, public administration, political science, economics, social work, philosophy, history, English, travel and tourism, geography, anthropology, library and information science, Spanish and Italian, and the School of Hospitality, fashion and designing. And coming to the engineering, computer science, chemistry, civil, mechanical, electronics and electrical, forensic science, mathematics and physics. And coming to the School of Education, so educational philosophies and framework and psychology, infrastructure planning and social research methodologies, education management and education leadership. And the School of Communication, architecture and planning. And coming to the different non-teaching positions are also there that you may check down here. So marketing executives, telecallers and admission counselors, corporate resource center, and the librarian, assistant librarian, assistant registrar, assistant controller of examination and accounts officer, resident doctor and nurse, and the program officers and academic coordinators, sports officer, hostel warden, male or female, and ERP coordinators and IT supervisors are the executives, front desk executives and the lab technicians for all above mentioned schools, and the general administration is also there. Fine. And coming to the junior research fellowship is also there. So coming to the School of Agricultural Sciences and the law, teacher training and education management, innovation and entrepreneurship, vocational studies, and the Department of the International Partnership and the Student Mobility. Fine. So these are all the different vacancies are there, guys. Okay, so the interested candidates may check down. So it is official website of the Goenka University. Okay, so here the non-teaching positions means, as I already shown you right now. Okay, these are all the different non-teaching positions. And if you want to apply, then just click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to the online application form here. So we will check out whatever the different particulars are there. So if you want to apply teaching, then click on this one, or else if you want to apply for non-teaching, then click on this one. Okay, so these are the different non-teaching positions are there, as I already told you. And you need to fill up that how many years of experience is there, and personal details. Okay, So upload the photo, resume, as well as the nationality and the address for the correspondence, academic details, and what are your educational qualifications. Okay, so these are all the things you need to fill up. Fine. And if you are selecting for the teaching positions, then these are the particulars. So for post you guys are applied for. So here you may check down HOD, professor, visiting professor, part-time professor, associate, and assistant professor. So you need to select, for example, if you want to select the assistant professor, then click on that one. And what is your area? So click on that one. And if any other areas, then mention here and mention your specialization also, and the total number of experience as well as your personal details, and all these things you need to fill up. Okay. So for the teaching positions, the application form will be a little bit bigger one comparing with the non-teaching positions. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications, okay, with only graduation or only post-graduation or the UGC or the PhD candidates. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want